To start with the greatest name of Almighty Allah, who created the universe, the sun, the moon, who runs the rivers, lakes, and who runs the clouds full of rain. Assalamu alaikum, ladies and gentlemen. Today I'm here to share my views about how to concentrate during class and how to study class notes effectively. First, pay attention in class. It is important to concentrate and avoid distractions when the teacher is speaking. Practice by concentrating, active listening on what is being said and taking notes in your own words. This will make sure that you hear and understand what is being taught in class. Second, steer clear of distractions. Distractions are everywhere, from cell phone to social media and friends. Be aware of what distracts you in class and know how to steer clear of these distractions. Avoid sitting next to friends if you know they will distract you. Turning off your cell phone will also make sure you are paying attention to your teacher. Sit at the front side of classroom. Third, ask questions if you don't understand. To clear concept, raise your hand and ask question. If you don't feel comfortable asking in front of everyone, write yourself a reminder to talk to the teacher after class. Fourth, get organized. It means carry a homework plans at all times. Entering homeworks, projects, tests, and assignments as soon as they are assigned will make sure that they are not forgotten about. Fifth, make study notes. Write down key points in your own words, what is being taught in class. Sixth, make sure notes are completed. Clear and complete notes will help you process the information you are learning in class. These notes will also become study notes that can be reviewed before a test. Talk to friends or the teacher if you have missed a class to ensure your notes are completed. Seventh, read topic before going to class. It is important to read topic before lecture in order to understand fully. Now let's learn how to study class notes. Point A. Review class notes every evening. After school, college, and university, review and expand on the notes. Reviewing notes help move material learned from short-term memory into long-term memory, which will help next time you have a big test. Point B. Study in short bursts. For every 45 minutes or 1 hour, you study, take a short 10 to 15 minute break to recharge. Short study sessions that are more effective and help you make the most of your study time. Point C. Simplify study notes. Make studying less overwhelming by condensing notes from class. Underline or highlight keywords. Create visual aids like charts, stories, and simplify information that help you remember better. Point D. Make a study schedule plan. When you start making study schedule, look at your plans and think about what needs to be accomplished. Think about the types of questions that will be in the test and the topic that will be covered so you know what you should focus on. Set specific goals for each study session.